Hey guys, Ruben here. I have an example of how Lucas oil stabilizer is on metal surfaces. I accidentally spilled some, so now I'm trying to clean it up. So this is what it looks like when you try to clean it up. I'd say it works for sticking to everything. So I had this bottle fall over without the top on. And here I'm going to show you just how sticky it is. It's meant to coat all the internal engine parts in your motor. And I'd say it probably does a pretty good job at that. Definitely some nasty stuff to spill outside of your engine. It's hard to say how long it stays around, but it's definitely some hard stuff to clean up on your truck bed. Here's some more fell on the ground. Made a big mess. So I guess given enough time, it flows like fluid. This stuff is so strange. It almost makes me wonder if it has like a rubber cement component in it. The way it sticks to rags, I feel like it'd be great for a torch too. You know, wrap around a stick and light it on fire. It'd probably burn real well. I don't know. I don't know if it is flammable. Could read it. But it says it does some good things for your engine, so. Thanks for watching my silly video on Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. I hope it was helpful. Hope it gives you a little insight.